Introducing Domino Data Lab. Top pharmaceutical companies trust Domino as their backbone for gaining insights, making predictions, and accelerating R&D. Domino ensures efficient and responsible analytics, pipelines, and AI development across R&D, from target identification and discovery through clinical trials and real-world evidence. In the new era of seamless integration with Domino, siloed statistical computing environments are a thing of the past. Incorporate both open and licensed languages, tools, and IDEs, compute frameworks, and scalable resources to support a variety of workflows and teams in one unified environment without ever compromising on flexibility or compliance. With Domino, experience unmatched flexibility while still meeting GxP requirements. Get access to modern open source tools and the latest innovations, ensuring continuous improvement. Gain on-demand access to the latest in distributed computing, all orchestrated centrally through Domino. Optimize the use of automation, letting your teams focus purely on results. Ensure your studies are audit-ready from day one with Domino's reproducibility engine. Experience best-in-class governance with all work centralized for intelligent budget management and detailed reporting. With Domino, one modern SCE is all you need to skyrocket the pace of your R&D. Embrace the future with Domino.